And I'm gonna be doing a video of me.
My video, but
Well, yeah. And I'm gonna be doing a video of me burping. So I'm gonna drink this whole can of cola. So I'm just gonna chug it down. It's like full. I just don't.
Now I'm gonna do water.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do my bigger. Oh, that's the worst Mariana sings impression ever.
Yeah.
I suck at impressions.
She's gonna drink the Coca-Cola.
Ah, burns. It's like funny in my stomach. Is there anything red?
No, let's let us go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Hmm. Burn. Oh. Oh, did you hear that?
She has a little bit left. Don't be a little bit baby.
Oh, I feel it coming. Oh.
Oh.
That's not it. That's not it. I can. I guess my burps will be smelling like cola. It burns.
Because of the acid in it as
It's
well.
not acid.
Yes, it is.
Girl. Okay. It's all that. I'm not blind.
What did I do?
Like that thing, or like that thing.
No, I went like this.
What does that mean?
Never mind.
Illuminati? Or like, what?
No, I'll tell you later.
I'm almost like, it's like right there. It's almost gone.
So let's see if that. I'm gonna get my pot ready.
Are you gonna do it?
Not the cola. It's all gone.
What is? Are you not allowed to drink Coke?
I am.
I don't feel so good. My tummy is like rumbling. I'm gonna get the hiccups.
Okay, she's done with her pop.
I've been burping. As you can tell, here.
No. Isabel, no. Okay, now it's my turn.
No, I'm still burping. I feel it coming, but she'll go now.
Yes. And then
I'll be quiet. Wait.
I'm so scared. Okay, so I'm about to drink the same thing that Ezra did. Cola.
Yeah. Just get into it.
Okay.
Just chug.
Ezra, stop.
You're gonna chug.
That does burn. Okay, let the burp go.
Tell us in the comment down below who did the burping best, okay? Do not fake burp. No, you just
I didn't.
That was a fake
it
burp.
wasn't.
It was, Mackenzie. I saw you do like
Let it settle.
Don't puke all over the table. Wait, did the glass be taken off of here?
I don't really have that much burps. I don't burp that much, so.
Because she's more ladylike than me.
I just like almost threw up. Literally. Now let's eat a banana after this.
No. What we have to do have Sprite.
New challenge. Coca-Cola and bananas. Let's go on, guys. Did you want me to chug the rest?
Chug.
Hold on. I need a break.
There's like a tiny bit left.
Because I drink fast, people.
Just throw it down. Throw it down. Good.
My first shot ever. I drank too much beer. No, I'm kidding. Okay, now burp. Coming up.
I think I'm all done burping.
It's like when the elf drinks that big huge like liter of the cocoa. Did you hear that?
Do you want to do it again?
Okay,
We're going to do it into a separate video though. So bye. I think we're all done burping. We're going to do it in another video. Burping. No, let's do the burping games instead of the Hunger Games. The burping games. So that's going to be part 2 next.